What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to an update on Algorand. Not a very positive one, but in this video we'll explain the crash we've seen over the last 2 days. There is quite a clear reason for that. And there were some misconceptions I saw around the community of Algorand, why we are dropping and shouldn't we be going up, those kind of things. So I kind of wanted to clear that up, at least in my opinion, of course. I mean, I don't know everything, but according to my opinion, and my analysis. And we'll also talk about the technicals, obviously, what looks to be most likely, what looks to be happening, technically seen, as you can see, pretty much this, but we'll get into that a little bit later. So Algorand was actually pretty bullish compared to other cryptos the last 2 or 3 days. Not massively bullish, but we were pretty bullish. Getting back to the same levels where we were like in the middle of October and the middle of September, which is pretty, like, not a lot of cryptos did that. Main reason for that is that Algorand is the main, not sponsor, but the main blockchain partner of FIFA. And what started yesterday is the FIFA World Cup. So we also saw that Chili's, for example, was bullish because of that. Chili's had a way more direct link, I think, than Algorand. So that's why Algorand wasn't as bullish as Chili's. But what happened is that when it started, we started to drop. Now, first of all, I must say that part of the reason was that the bearish fundamentals in the market, the entire crypto market, also increased. So the hacker was moving funds around again. I mean, there was more bad news around FTX, like that getting your money back might take years or decades, which is very bad news, I think, for everybody that had money on FTX. So if you had money in FTX, I'm sorry. But so that all happened. So that definitely didn't help. But apart from that, what also happened is that, well, of course, the World Cup leading up to the World Cup was bullish for Algorand. But when it started, the effect you get is that kind of with the same, like I also explained it in the Chili's video, kind of like the Ethereum merge. When the Ethereum merge, we might actually be able to check that out. When that was when that was coming up, Ethereum was actually pretty bullish. Well, what happened when it actually happened? We can check that out very, very easily. Like I think it was the 16th of September or something. Was right here. We started to drop down massively. It's just leading up to news. Cryptos are very bullish, at least if they're affected. So we've also seen it with Algorand. But when the news actually comes out, cryptos fall. So that, together with bearish market circumstances, is why we're falling right now. And then if we zoom into the price, more bad news is coming, because, I mean, you could have also seen it from the chart we had before this. The dollar index is rising, which is economically bearish for crypto as well. So yeah, quite a negative video, but still hope you will have a great day. In the end, it will all be all right, but short term, it doesn't look that great. You can see that we took a break retest off of this key level we broke through between 25 and 26.5 cents. Right now, it looks very likely that we'll drop down to this level right here between 22.5 cents and 23.5 cents. Personally, I think we'll find some support at 23.5 cents and then drop down lower towards 22 cents. For now, I expect this to hold. I expect this to hold as a support level. Now, we will have to see if we can hold that for a longer period of time. We need to hold it at least for 3 days, I think, to actually call it a support and to be able to say that we're going to consolidate between 26 and 22.5 cents. Because right now, with all of this bearish momentum in the market, what could also still happen is that we find some support there, but then break through and drop down to 20 cents. That's a very realistic risk right now. So for now, I think we'll hold that until the next update for sure. If we don't do that, I was wrong. It's possible, so keep that in mind. But for now, I do think we will hold that. I mean, we haven't fallen down there yet. I mean, there's 23.5 cents is quite a strong support. So then, in my opinion, we have already had most of the bearish fundamentals. I think 22.5 cents is going to hold at least. So that's my take on Algorand and a little bit of an explanation around what happened. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.